Let's get in the kitchen and make some tuna salad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some easy and delicious tuna salad. For this recipe, I'm using 1 can of wild-caught tuna in water, mayo, sweet relish, spicy brown mustard, garlic salt with parsley, cayenne pepper, black pepper, onion, jalapeno pepper, lime, celery, and 1 boiled egg. The first thing that I do is just empty the can of tuna into a bowl. Next, I'm using a fork to mince the tuna. This is just to break up any large pieces of tuna. Next, I add in the mayo, the sweet relish, the spicy brown mustard, chopped celery, boiled egg, jalapeno pepper, onion, and the lime juice. Once all that's added in, I just use the fork to combine everything. This is how the tuna is looking right now, nice and creamy and super delicious. Lastly, to add a little bit more flavor, I'm adding in the black pepper, garlic salt, and the cayenne pepper. Once all that's added in, I'm just using the fork again to mix everything all together to combine the flavors. This is the finished result of the tuna salad. I just added a little bit of parsley flakes on top and I'm having it as a dip with some veggie crackers. These veggie crackers are so good and the crunch along with the tuna salad, 10 out of 10. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Be sure to try this easy and delicious recipe and I will see you guys in the next video.